Don't be nervous about cutting your metal edge. I'm going to give you 3 ways to cut it. The first is using some metal shears. Once you mark your metal where you want it to be, or the length you need it, then take your shears and cut along that line. As always, when working with metal, make sure you've got your hands protected using some gloves, and then after the cut, use a sanding block to ease down those edges. They can be sharp. The second way is using a chop saw or a miter saw with a metal specific blade. This is my favorite way of cutting metal. It makes a really clean cut. You almost don't need to sand it, but I still suggest taking a sanding block to it and easing down those edges. The last way I suggest is using that tile wet saw with a diamond blade. This is the most common way it's used in the field just because you already have the saw there. One warning I will give you: if you cut a lot of metal with your diamond blade, it can wear it out more quickly and give you ragged cuts on your tile. So in my opinion, it's best to have the 2 options. Have a specific metal blade and a specific tile blade, and don't intermarry the 2. As always, as a point of safety, make sure you take whatever cut side you have and use a sanding block to ease down those edges because they can be sharp. The next step in the process is here in this video. Click here, but before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I get lonely.